How to fix if Facebook app has disappeared or not showing in Android device. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, search for Facebook app. You won't be able to see as it disappeared. You can simply open drawer and then swipe to the right. After swiping it to the right, add your password. As you can see, Facebook is in hidden space. Simply click on Facebook and click on unhide. After that, you can simply search Facebook in here and you'll find Facebook without searching it as well. You can do same with other phones as well if you don't have hidden apps in this mode. And that's how to fix if Facebook app has disappeared or not showing in Android device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more.